seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Anna Bless, and today I am back in the building. Yes, serving you all of this. Yes, I am loving this makeup glam, and I am glowing and looking beautiful, gorgeous, you name it. I'm all it. Yeah. So guys, if you're interested to see how I achieve all of this, tune in and watch and enjoy. So I'm using my good old LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to prime those eyes to get it ready for the eyeshadow. And as you can see in my hands, I'm using the good old Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that green shade to add as my transition color. Yeah. So as you can see, I am just blending in my eyelid because we want to deepen up that crease. And into the BH Cosmetic palette, using that white shade to set my brow bones. Blending to add a nice touch to the transition shade. And then to deepen the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to use that dark green shade to add some dimension to the eyelid. And just blending seamlessly. And then using that lime green shade to add some more dimension because we lost some colors, so we want to place back that color. Then using my Juvia's Place angle brush to cut my crease and get that all defined and popping. And then we're going back in this dark green shade to kind of clean up the outer corners and to define the eyes a bit because we want that to look nice and chiseled. So to make this look come alive, I'm using this shimmery green shade to the inner part of my eyes.
No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
So from the same palette from Juvia's Place, we're going to use that gold shade to the inner corners of our eyes.
No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside. Something inside.
So to merge each colors, we are going to overlap them to get a nice defined finish. So right here, I'm just defining and just making everything come alive.
There's something inside. Yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you. Yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Going in with this black from the Morphe palette to just deepen the outer corners.
No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside. Something inside.
So guys, the same vibes on the top, it is with the bottom. So we're just blending.
something inside. Yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you. Yeah. No, I can't hide it.
Your girl Anna Bless. Keeping it real, y'all. Keeping it real. Guys, I am seriously feeling myself. I am loving this makeup look. Yes, suitable for the summer. So to all my, queen dolls who love to color up, yes, this is one of the look that you can achieve for the summer. See you in my next video. Peace out, y'all.